What's up, guys? It's your boy Dark Renegade 14 here, baby. What an unboxing video, whatever you want to call it. My girl bought this for me. You feel me? So, Christmas present. My mom used to always let me open up a gift or two a little early, you feel me? With her not being here, we kind of started like a little family tradition. So everybody opened up one gift. So this is my gift, but I wanted to show it with y'all. Like, these hoes. I just gotta show this. So, with further ado, I'll shut up talking, and I'll show y'all what y'all here for. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Oh, it's upside down. Look at the box. Yeah, look at the box. Look at the box. Look at the box. Oh, look at the box, man. Hold on. Hold on. Oh. Shit. These are fire. Let's see what. Hold on. Let's see what the inside of the sole look like. Inside the sole. Like, I actually just might take it out the shoe. I think you see it better that way. God damn. Hold on. Damn. Hold on. Y'all bear with me. I don't think that shit want to come out. I don't think the soul. Oh yeah, that hoe ain't coming out. I'm gonna just have to show y'all best way I can. Yeah, hold on. Say Scooby Doo. My mom got the Melo symbol. Got Scooby Doo in there. Fred, Velma. The whole game. Feel me? Go to the bottom of the shoe. I ain't gonna cap. Yo hard. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with them. I'm gonna have to find something, but this is hard, bro. Look at this. Oh, and Scooby on the. Got Scooby on the back. Raggy. Hold on, let me see if he's on the other one. Oh yeah. Yeah, he doing something different. Look. Fire. 101. Oh, and there's something else in the box I'm gonna show y'all real quick. 101. Before we wrap this up. Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Well, that's to protect the shoe, but yeah. Bro, Melo be snapping. Melo snapping. Like he really couldn't have. He really couldn't fuck up, bro. Like, why are you going so hard like that, bro? Like, what's wrong with you, man? You couldn't have fuck up, bro. Shout out Melo, man. I'm on. And Puma, like, whatever you want to do, we're gonna do it, bro. This is. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. It's been a minute since I did one of these, but yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Smash the like button. Let me know what you think of these shoes or not. You know, if they fire or not. I don't even know if y'all even seen the flowers, bro. Look, it got the flowers. It got the flowers. Give this video a thumbs up, y'all. Share if you share with your friends. Subscribe if you're new here, and I would definitely be seeing you guys on the next video. Deuces.